IDEA comes equipped with over 100 built-in functions called at functions to help you build more complex equations for testing. In this exercise, we'll look at how to access these at functions and use the at round function to look for payments that round to $1,000. Make sure the payments database is active. On the Analysis tab, in the Extract group, click Direct to open the Direct Extraction dialog. Enter the file name Rounded Payments and click the Equation Editor button to open up the equation editor. We explored a little bit of the equation editor during the earlier direct extraction exercise. Now we will delve a little further. On the right side of the equation editor, we have a list of all of the at functions in IDEA. They are grouped by type, so I can look at just the numeric functions, or just the date functions, or just the time functions. Or I can expand the All section and look at an alphabetical list of all the functions available. Click on a function to learn about what the function does or how to use it. To use an at function, double-click on the function from this list. Or, if you know the function name, you can simply type it into the equation editor. IDEA will suggest at functions as you type. The at round function normally takes two parameters: the number you want to round, which in this case is called amount, and the round to precision, which determines the place value to use when rounding. The help text says that if we skip the second parameter, the function will round to the nearest whole number, which is what we want in this case. So we could type at round amount, comma 1, or we could simply type at round amount. If we wanted to round to another place value, like the nearest 10 or 100, we would enter 10 or 100 for the second parameter. In this example, we want to find payments that round to $1,000, so the equation should read at round amount equals 1,000. Click Validate and Exit to check the equation and return to the Direct Extraction dialog box. Click OK to run the direct extraction. The output contains two payments, which not only round to $1,000, they actually equal $1,000. If there were payments of $999.75 or $1,000.05, those records would also have been included in this output.